The Vermeer brand to customers means innovation. We've innovated for over 70 years in this space, and we will continue into the future to innovate for those customers.
We started this journey in 2022. We saw a market need and we saw the opportunity to make an impact with these electric products to try to solve some of those customer pain points. When you're at the forefront of innovation like this project, you are holding a balance between anticipating the needs of the customers and fulfilling the current needs of our customers.
That was really the primary driver, is how do we decrease the cost of running a piece of equipment? And again, that fits very well in terms of our core philosophy and our brand of making our customers more productive and more profitable.
These products are the result of close collaboration over a number of years between engineering teams here in Pella in the US and in the Netherlands in Europe.
We were hearing a lot of things in the market, regions of the world where electrification is becoming more predominant and in some areas even required, specifically in some areas where sound was very critical and they had limited windows of working throughout the day. These machines would allow them to operate before and after those windows. I can now pull into a neighborhood with an electric skid steer an hour or two earlier than I could before because I'm going to be a lot quieter on that site than I was before. We wanted to have charging systems that were readily available. What we're doing on these three models of Vermeer environmental products is trying to test what the customers are really going to want and what the customers are going to be able to value in their job sites. And the benefits of the electrification on these products, the one that's most notable, first of all, is the sound, specifically the SC30 and the S450. Those machines are very quiet. So on the brush chipper, we really focused on the electric drive of the drum. And the mini track loader, we focused on the electric drive of the ground drive because that's where most of the power goes to.
We learned the value of staying flexible, agile, and open-minded while keeping the customer needs and our history of quality at the forefront of our minds.
We plan to leverage the customer feedback and use that feedback to change our machines or not change the machines to what they need to be for the future.
I would say the Vermeer brand and what we strive for is creating innovative, high-quality products. When we can do both of those two things well, I believe that's where Vermeer separates ourselves. I think that's where we stand out from our competitors. That's when we can move an industry.
We're constantly working with our customers. The problems of the industry today are not the problems of the industry 70 years ago. Staying close to the customers, they know their problems the best. Bringing those problems back here and letting our teams go to work, that's what Vermeer innovation is all about.
As we bring these new products to market, what I'm most excited about is to understand from the customers what benefits we've brought to them, how it's benefited their business and made their life easier. The appetite for electrification, it ebbs and flows, but overall it is continuing to trend up, and we will see it continue to trend up as we go forward.
I'm very proud of these products, and I'm excited to see how our customers use these products to do the tough and important work they do on a daily basis.